Today on the menu we have gourmet burger. First, we cut one onion into small pieces. Add them in a bowl, and then add 500 grams of minced meat. Add 1 egg. 1 piece of bread, which we will cut into small pieces. Salt around 3 grams. Black pepper around 2 grams. Red hot crushed pepper 3 grams. Vegetable seasoning 3 grams. And 2 garlic cloves. Then we mix it pretty well. In a deep frying pan, we add 100 milligrams of olive oil. Until the pan becomes hot, we cut 100 grams of mushrooms into small pieces. After that, we cut 1 red and 1 green baked pepper into small pieces. Add them in the pan as well. While they are frying, we add 100 grams of pickles. And 100 grams of smoked chicken fillet. And we leave it to fry around 10 minutes all together. On a thin frying pan, we add 30 milliliters of olive oil and add 1 layer of minced meat on it. Then we add the fried mixture. And on top, cover it with the leftover minced meat. Bake it 20 minutes on 250 degrees. Add 100 grams cheese on top. And bake it for additional 5 minutes on same temperature. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!